Hello everyone and welcome back to M365 Tech Titans, and today we are going to look at how to join a Teams call. So I have got a lot of questions on the topic how to join the Teams call from you guys, and today I'm going to cover all of those. So some of the questions cover how to enter the Teams meeting. A bunch of users say that they do not see this join button when they come to their calendars, or some of the users say they are not sure why they join the meeting and they are muted, or when they join the meeting why they are unmute. So let's talk all about that. So first of all, let us talk about the default settings in Microsoft Teams. So by default, Teams will mute you if there are already 4 or more members in the meeting. So that is the default setting from Microsoft Teams, and whenever you're joining a call, if there are more than 4 members, you will be muted. 4 or more than 4 members. However, you can always change the default team settings, which is really easy and quick. Here, as you can see on my screen, I'm on my calendar tab in Microsoft Teams here, and I have a meeting right at this moment, and this is a demo. This is just a demo meeting I have scheduled for this video, and which I can show you guys quickly. So talking about the defaults, whenever you have a meeting scheduled, let's say this meeting is scheduled at 9:30, so the join button here, this join button will not always be there. Looking at the next meeting I have at 12 p.m, I don't see the join button. So whenever you have a meeting starting in next 5 minutes, you will see this join button appear here. So the easiest way to join a meeting is whenever you see this join button, you can simply click on this join button here, and you'll see this screen come up when you click on the join button. So now I'm not going to click join now. Instead, we are going to cancel, and we're going to look at this other options as well. Let's say you have a meeting and you don't see the join button, but you want to join the meeting at that moment. So in that case, what you can do is you can, over this purple section of the meeting, you can click anywhere, and this little information section will open up, and you will see the join button always for all the meetings. If you want to take a look at the next meeting, if I click anywhere on this meeting, I do see that join button. So that's the way you can join the meeting. That's the second way. And sometimes if another user has started the meeting, you'll get a notification on the right hand side corner, bottom corner of your screen, and you can simply click on join now, and you can go to that meeting right from there. So now let's talk about the Microsoft settings. So I'm going to go ahead and click on join, and this is the screen where you can set up all different things you want to do. Let's say right now I am the first one joining the meeting, so by default my microphone is going to be unmuted. So if I want to mute myself, I can do it from here, and then I can join. If I want to change the custom setup, I can do it from here. I can change the Microsoft microphone, and here you'll be able to see that your camera is turned off. If you want to turn it on, you can click on this icon here, and then there are different settings here related to cameras, which we will talk about in my next video. So you can simply click on join now, and as you can see, we are muted here. If you click on join now, this is going to show you that your speakers are muted. You can unmute yourself, and you can see waiting for others to join. If you want to unmute, you want to turn our camera on, and there are a bunch of different ways. You can go over more and then settings, and you can select what speaker you are using. Once you are already in the meeting, you can always change your speaker, always change your microphone and your video settings as well. So that is all for today, and I'm going to quickly leave from here. Stay tuned for the next video, where we will be talking in deep about the cameras, filters, and all the backgrounds you can choose in Microsoft Teams. Thank you.